Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Shunpat Himwe, and I am delighted to have the opportunity to present the topic to categorize by segmentation using a convolution neural network and fully convolution neural network to improve segmentation outcome to you today. So the presentation outline has been divided into 4 items such as introduction, past, investigation, objective, and the last methodology. Okay, let's go to introduction. Bond classification and bond abnormality make it hard to study the spinal disc in the right way. I plan to use machine learning automatic query figure out the coordinate of the vertebral corner. This will help me figure out important radiological factors like L1 to L5 and L1 to L5, lordosis and scalar slope. Okay, let's go to the past investigation. Okay, the first person to compare to CNN network being used to automatically divided vertebral into parts. This file has important information about how to separate the spine from CT scan on show, which is need to develop and this spine problem. Okay, the second person. This study is about a CNN method that work well for separating vertebra from 3D CT image. This study paper show a promising way to lower the risk of the spine surgery by correctly separating vertebra from CT scan. And the last person, deep learning model, which two step for annotating radiograph for the spine. This one of a crime method using in to figure out the coordinate of the corner to the vertebra in sagittal X-ray picture to the important radiological parameter can be calculated. Okay, and then this presentation have 3 objectives. The first, utilizing machine learning to automatically calculate the vertebral corner coordinate. The second, to improve spine segmentation accuracy and efficiency. Segmentation is the process of the detecting and outing a section or object in a picture. And the last, using a convolution neural network and fully convolution neural network to classify by segmentation. Okay, and the last methodology. Okay, and then this presentation have 3 objectives. The first, utilizing machine learning to automatically calculate the vertebral corner coordinate. The second, to improve spine segmentation accuracy and efficiency. Segmentation is the process of the detecting and outing a section or object in a picture. And the last, using a convolution neural network and fully convolution neural network to classify by segmentation. So let's go to the methodology. Let's go to methodology. Okay. The first one. Deep learning tools are seen in industry architecture as shown in the figure 1. Okay, that's there. Figure 2. Predict the segmentation for based on the CNN. The input to the network is the test image and the output is the segmentation result. Recent vertebral segmentation and detection investigation have demonstrated in remarkable performance. And figure 3 illustrate the system design by CT image. Contribute the input data, the fully convolution for segmentation receives axial view image as input. The segmentation output the utilize to generate the 3D vertebral model for the invisible plane detection. Central statistical image is selected. In addition, this plan will be applied to the 3D need for the vertebra in order to select in steering regions. Figure 3 predict of the 2 model steps for representative image. In the first stage, 2 CNN were trained to identify each vertebra into the image and calculate the landmark coordinates respectively. In the second phase, we refine the localization using a crop image of the single vertebra as input to another convolution CNN and geometrically transformation to map the corner to the original image. We use different referentiable spiral to numerical transform as the top layer for the localization assessment. And figure 6. Figure 6, the detection sequence is illustrated in the figure 6. Figure 6 predict the central statistical image that was the select. The image is the whole to produce a binary image as predict in figure 6b as shown in the figure 6. When whole filling the morphology opening are applied to binary image, the vector will become more distinct. The mass center of each region of comparable size to vector is determined and is right door by connecting and to neighboring mass center. As shown in the figure 6d, normalized in a generate choose the central points of each mass center line. This normal line predict in the figure 6e, the separating line use the irreducible plane. And then in the figure 7, display the result of the detection of intervertebral plane. The vertebral separation line predict in the color. In 3D view, this line will be separated to the transverse surface to the product plane. Doing a preoperative planning and interpretive guidance, this interpretive plane will be regarded as the optional selection for display the necessary vertebra. And the last, figure 8 show the front view, side view, and back view of a generated 3D model. Okay, thank you for your attention.